Deep in the forest lived a woodpecker. He was a very wise woodpecker. Everybody loved him. The woodpecker had bright red feathers on his head. He had a strong beak. He used his beak to peck at trees. He could peck holes in the hard bark. He looked for insects to eat. Woodpeckers are very clever birds. This woodpecker was not only known for his wisdom, but also for his kindness. He often helped other animals in the forest. When a tree was sick, he would peck away the bad parts, allowing it to heal. His rhythmic pecking was like music to the forest, a sound that brought comfort to all who heard it. One day, a young squirrel got stuck in a tree hole. The wise woodpecker quickly flew to the rescue. With his strong beak, he carefully widened the hole, freeing the frightened squirrel. The forest animals cheered, grateful for their wise and kind friend. The woodpecker's actions showed that true wisdom comes from helping others. Summer was ending. The days were getting shorter, and the nights were growing cooler. The vibrant greens of summer were slowly giving way to the warm hues of autumn. The leaves started to change color, painting the forest in shades of red, yellow, and orange. It was a beautiful transformation, but it also signaled the approach of winter. The wise woodpecker knew winter was coming. Winter is very cold. He had seen many winters before and understood the challenges they brought. The cold winds, the snow-covered ground, and the scarcity of food. Food is hard to find in winter. The forest, once teeming with life, would become a quiet, barren place. The trees would stand bare, and the ground would be covered in a thick blanket of snow. The wise woodpecker wanted to be ready. He gathered acorns. He knew that these small, nutritious nuts would be his lifeline during the harsh winter months. Acorns are his favorite food. They are rich in nutrients and can be stored for a long time without spoiling. The woodpecker carefully selected the best acorns and made a large pile. He found a hole in a tree. It was the perfect place to store his acorns, safe from the elements and hidden from other animals. He filled the hole with acorns. One by one, he carefully placed them inside, ensuring they were secure and protected. He worked hard every day. From dawn till dusk, the woodpecker was busy gathering and storing acorns. His dedication and hard work were unwavering. The wise woodpecker wanted to have lots of food. He knew that the more he stored, the better his chances of surviving the winter. He wanted enough food to last all winter. As the days grew colder, the woodpecker felt a sense of satisfaction. He had prepared well, and he was ready for the winter ahead. One day, the woodpecker saw a small bluebird perched on a branch. The bluebird seemed out of place, and the woodpecker's curiosity was piqued. The bluebird was shivering, its tiny body trembling with cold. It looked very sad, its eyes filled with worry and fear. "What is wrong, little bluebird?" asked the woodpecker gently, his voice filled with concern. He wanted to understand what was troubling the little bird. "Winter is coming," chirped the bluebird, its voice quivering. "I cannot find any food." The thought of the harsh winter without food made the bluebird even more anxious. The woodpecker felt sorry for the bluebird. He knew he had to help. He couldn't bear to see the little bird suffer. "Don't worry," said the woodpecker with a reassuring smile. "I will share my food with you. Together, we will get through the winter." The bluebird's eyes lit up with hope. The woodpecker took the bluebird to his tree. He shared his acorns. The bluebird was so happy. The woodpecker and the bluebird ate acorns together. They became friends. The wise woodpecker learned an important lesson. It is good to be prepared. It is even better to be generous. Helping others is important.